23 to 54. Unit name is Acids, Bases and Salts. Topic is Self-ionization of water, the pH scale. Resources required are textbook and internet connection. Introduction, summary of the lesson. Self-ionization of water will be explained with a reference of pH scale. Quote of the day. Never say I cannot. Always say I will try. Recap of previous lecture. We have done concepts of acids and bases. Concept number 1, Arrhenius concept. What is Arrhenius acid? That produces or gives H plus ions in aqueous solution. What are bases? Gives or produces OH minus ions in aqueous solution. Bronsted-Lowry concept. Donates H ions or proton. It is acid. Except H ions or protons are bases. Lewis acids are electron pair acceptors, while bases are electron pair donors. Objective of today's lesson. Students will be able to understand self-ionization or auto-ionization of water and equilibrium expression for it. pH of solutions. Self-ionization of water. Water molecules are highly polar in nature. Collision with each other highly energetic. In equation, two water molecules are present. One water molecule giving its proton to other water molecule and forming hydronium ion with positive charge. The water molecule that is accepting proton, it is Bronsted base. The other molecule that is donating its proton, it is forming OH minus ion and it is Bronsted acid. Yes, look, this is proton donor, Bronsted acid, and other is Bronsted base, proton acceptor. Self-ionization of water can simply be written when two water molecules ionizes forming hydronium ion and OH minus. This is called auto-ionization of water. Simply one water molecule ionizes and forms H plus and OH minus ions. Although water is a weak electrolyte, self-ionization occurs to a very small extent, that is 1 into 10 raised to power minus 7 m at 25 degrees. Now we are going to write Kc expression for water molecule. You know what is Kc? Kc is product upon reactant. What is product in this reaction? H plus and OH minus is product, while water is reactant. So we have written Kc product upon reactant. In this equation, Kc water will remain constant. So by cross multiplying, we will get, yes, what we will get? Kc multiplied by water, and this is remain constant. So we will get Kc multiplied by water is equals to H plus ions and OH minus ions. Kc water becomes Kw is equal to H plus and OH minus. This Kw is ion product of water. Now Kc expression, we will put the values of concentration of H plus ions and OH minus ions. We know that concentration of H plus and OH minus is 1 into 10 raised to power minus 7. So when powers will be added up, we will get 10 raised to power minus 14. This is constant value for Kw at 25 degrees. How can we express such a small concentration of H plus and OH minus? By pH. P means power, H means hydrogen. So pH is defined as negative logarithm of molar concentration of H plus ions in aqueous solution. So this is formula. pH is equal to minus log H plus ions. And we will put the value of concentration of H ions, that is 10 raised to power minus 7. By taking anti-log, we are getting 7. So neutral water has pH 7. How can we identify either solution is acidic, basic or neutral in nature? By pH. If pH is equal to 7, solution will be neutral in nature. pH less than 7, solution is acidic. pH greater than 7, solution will be basic in nature. So talk about in the terms of concentration. H plus concentration greater than OH, solution will be acidic in nature. Yes, good. If pH greater than 7 means H ions concentration is less than OH ions concentration, solution will be basic in nature. Recap of lecture. I have used a term ionization. What is the meaning of ionization? Ionization means changing of atoms into charged particles. Charged particles are of two types, cations and anions. What are cations? Positive charge ions formed by the loss of electrons. Negative charge formed by the gain of electrons. Next, we have used Kc. What is Kc? Kc is product upon reactant. What does it mean? Water is polar molecule. Water is a polar molecule, meaning that there is uneven distribution of electron density. Water has partial negative charge near the oxygen atom due to unshared pair of electrons and partial positive charge near hydrogen atoms. What does it mean? This is all about due to electronegativity difference between oxygen and hydrogen. Oxygen has more power to pull hydrogen's electrons towards itself. So, oxygen has partial negative charge and hydrogen's electron pulls away from it. So, that's why hydrogen atom has partial positive charge. Now, this is the time for assignment. Review questions. I am giving you question number 1. Explain autoionization of water and write equilibrium constant for it. Question number 2. Define ionization. Question number 3. What is molar concentration of H ions and OH minus ions when 1 mole of water ionizes? Hope you all have understood the topic clearly. If any queries, any questions, you can ask me. Thank you so much.